Hello children, so today we are going to learn wave lines, okay? But you have to hold the pencil lightly. एकदम जोर से hold मत करना, ठीक है? एकदम lightly you need to hold the pencil. Okay children, so let's start now. So from left hand side we will start the line like this, okay? एकदम slowly we are going to do from one side. Okay, we will not use eraser. Okay children. Now second number lines we are going to start from one side slowly, okay? Next the third number line we are going to start. So like this we are going to make the lines, wave lines. You need to practice 20 lines, okay children? In your rough page or your drawing copy you are going to make 20 wave lines. I am going to check the lines in the next class, okay? 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this you will write the numbers and you will make the lines, okay children? So I will check the homework in the next class, okay children? So now next we will learn zigzag line, okay children? Now we will learn zigzag line, but again we have to hold the pencil lightly. Do not hold your pencil lightly, okay children? From left hand side again we will start like this, from one side slowly without using scale and eraser, okay? So like this. So now like this you are going to make, okay children? Now second number line we are going to do, say like this we are going to do the second number line also without using eraser and scale, okay? This is our third number line we are going to do. पेंसिल को जोर से होल्ड मत करना, प्रेस मत करना, ठीक है? एकदम lightly you need to hold the pencil. So like this you are going to make the lines, 20 lines. Here also you are going to do 20 lines, okay? 20 lines you need to do in your art page or drawing copy, okay? And next class I will check the lines, this wave lines and zigzag line. I'm going to check, okay children? You need to practice yourself, okay? But do not make dark, एकदम lightly you need to draw, okay children? Yes. So we have learned slipping line, wave line, zigzag line, all these lines we have learned, okay children? And next class we are going to learn square, oval, all the shapes we are going to learn step by step, okay children? So make these lines in your drawing copy or rough copy, okay children? So bye bye everyone, bye bye.